Alright guys, so my phone shut off in the middle of the DDE bonus, and I had to go get Mrs. Handpay's phone. Somebody hit that mini since I've been gone. Not happy. But I'm at 189.60, and you guys aren't here, so I guess I'm swiping this thing by myself. Of course, it's the mini. Real sad. My phone's out of control. Alright, let's see what happens with the rest of these games. Oh, we got a good win here going. A lot of golden dragons flashing all over the place. Pretty sweet coin show. So like 10 minutes has passed since my live stream got screwed up and I had to go find Mrs. Handpay's phone. I'm up to 450, that's good. I'd love a Handpay on this thing. That'd be awesome. Oh, another coin show. I'll take it. I'm so glad that an attendant sat at my machine so that I could go find Mrs. Handpay. Because if this is a Handpay, I'm going to be so, so excited that I'm still able to video it. Alright, I need a retrigger. Or some kind of miracle line hit. That was awesome. That's probably pretty close to what I would have hit had I had a Handpay and had the taxes taken out. So again, I want to apologize to everybody for that live stream ending and my phone being a piece of poop. I don't know what happened with the orientation, with the landscape and portrait mode. Then it just shuts off right in the middle of my bonus. Now it won't turn back on. But this is a pretty sweet bonus. And I really appreciate everybody coming tonight and supporting me and helping me along my way. I'm up to $2,200 on a night. Started with $500. Like I said, I really appreciate everybody coming and supporting me and everybody that super chatted me and wishing me congratulations on getting monetized. And all my mods for helping me out and taking care of everybody, dropping links, and thanks again. All right, have a great night, everybody. Bye.